The alluring allure of Heuchera green spice, a gardener's guide. There's a certain magic to shade gardens. While they lack the boldness of sun-drenched blooms, shade offers a canvas for unique textures and cool colors. Enter Heuchera green spice, a coral bells variety that has captivated me with its stunning foliage. Since its arrival in my garden, it's become a conversation starter, and I constantly find myself fielding questions about this captivating plant. So, buckle up, fellow plant enthusiasts, because I'm here to share my experience with Heuchera green spice and equip you to cultivate its magic in your own shady haven. What is Heuchera green spice? Heuchera green spice, also known as coral bells or alum root, is a herbaceous perennial prized for its ornamental foliage. Unlike many shade-loving plants, green spice boasts a dazzling display of color. Its rounded, lobed leaves are a symphony of silver green, overlaid with a dark gray border and accented by prominent burgundy veins. This color combination creates a striking visual interest, adding depth and drama to any shady corner. But green spice isn't just a pretty face. It's a surprisingly tough customer, tolerating a wide range of conditions. It thrives in part to full shade, making it ideal for those challenging areas under trees or buildings. While not the showiest, it produces delicate white flowers on airy stems in the late spring and early summer. These add a touch of whimsy without detracting from the star of the show, the foliage. How to care for Heuchera green spice. Green spice is a low-maintenance plant, but a few key practices will ensure it flourishes. Planting. Choose a location with well-drained soil. Amending the soil with compost before planting will help retain moisture. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for good air circulation. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing. Green spice isn't a heavy feeder. A light application of balanced fertilizer in the spring is sufficient. How to propagate Heuchera green spice. The good news is that green spice is easy to propagate, allowing you to expand your collection or share its beauty with friends. Here are two methods. Division. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up a mature plant and divide it into sections, each with a healthy crown and roots. Replant the divisions in prepared soil and water well. Seed saving. While less common, green spice can be propagated from seeds sown in late summer or early fall. However, seedlings may not always come true to type, meaning the foliage may not have the same vibrant coloring as the parent plant. What to plant with Heuchera green spice. Green spice plays well with others. Here are some ideas for creating stunning shade garden combinations. Hostas. The contrasting textures of green spice's lobed leaves and the broad foliage of hostas create a visually pleasing combination. Ferns. Ferns add a touch of elegance and lushness to shady areas. Pair green spice with ferns like maidenhair fern or Japanese painted fern for a delightful textural contrast. Begonias. Begonias come in a variety of colors and textures, offering endless possibilities for companion planting. Opt for shade-loving varieties like coral begonia or dragon wing begonia to create a vibrant display. By incorporating green spice into your shade garden, you'll be adding a touch of drama and year-round interest. With its minimal maintenance requirements and ease of propagation, it's a plant that's sure to become a favorite. So, don't be afraid to experiment and create your own slice of shade paradise with the captivating Heuchera green spice.